What if I told you that you can transcribe 1 hour of audio in just under 1 minute, and the best part, completely for free? My name is Ivan, stay with me, and in a couple of minutes you will walk away with a brand new AI tool for the audio transcription. It uses latest AI to transcribe hours of audio into searchable text in minutes or even seconds. It supports multiple languages, enables speakers detection, and finally provides detailed summary alongside with the transcription itself. At this point, all you need is an audio or video file stored in your device or in the cloud. If you're ready, let's dive in. It's simple. Just go to Google and type audio to text converter from Web Store and hit the first link. Download the extension. For those who don't know, Chrome Web Store is the same as the App Store or Google Play, but for browsers. Open the extension. We can pin it right there. So open it, go to the Upload tab, and choose the audio file from your computer. I have this one. We can quickly check if it's okay.
The last 3 companies I found
looks like it's okay, and hit Convert. And finally, we receive the transcriptions with the timestamps, with proper punctuation, and paragraphs. Moreover, there is also a summary with the main topics of the given audio. We can easily copy both of them to the clipboard or download as a text file. If you find this helpful, please share this video and this tool with your friend. It might save them hours too. And that's it for now. Bye. Thank you for watching.